Project eby'obuhangwa University as facilitator for community-based sustainable solutions to demographic challenges egenderire okumaraho ebizibu ebikubaremesa okugira ekibayekora. Ambassador wa Belgium omu Uganda yasima enkoragana eri hagati ya Mbarara University n'ihanga lya Belgium.
Our bilateral Belgian program for the coming 5 years, implemented through Enable, it focuses on 2 pillars. We have developed that program for the years 23 to 27 with our implementing partner Enable. The first pillar is for young people, especially young women, to acquire skills and find decent jobs or entrepreneurship opportunities in agriculture and in the green and sustainable economy. The second pillar is the rights, the human right, to safe and quality education and healthcare.
Professor Charles Kazoba yagira ngu project egi hona neza kuongera amani omukuma eby'obuhangwa.
Bariyo baza kukora okucondoza okwakubasa kureta okukozesa enkunche nari ebyokuteekesa bike bikakora omurimo muhango abo kubebyo nibitubya ahakutema nuko kukozesa munonga ebibera n'emiti y'ikubyara mwe tureba ngo harimo amagoba yo kurebereraje eby'obuhangwa
z'abana n'abakazi n'abeshiki n'enshobero abona bijaganyirwamo ubutonde bwensi ubuntu bijaganyirwamo okuzara narshi abantu abakaza bari kuzara naraba abeshiki bari kubasa kugirenda bakiri bato nabone bijaganyirwamo.
Icyo kubanza turagezeho kureba habangwa bwensi turebe abantu abarataha mu rubaju rw'ebibira ukukira munonga Kareke Mburo National Park then Bwindi Penetrative Forest Reserve kureba nko kutokora kwenda ngo abantu ba livinga ninga babaho nebibira nk'ebyo ninga national parks ziriho.
Bimwe aha bintu project egi erekirire kukora no kuma eby'obuhangwa okukanyisa ebyokurya okwera abantu kwega kukozesa teknolojia etakushisha by'obuhangwa okurwanirira obugabe bw'abakazi abana okwera eminyeto okutunga emyoga y'okwebisaho no kuyamba amatendekero. Gashakwa Abdul Karim Sengendo.